Ready?
Yeah, I think so. As ready as I'll ever be.
Hey! So, as you can see, I've got a guest with me today. This is Liam.
I'm back.
He's back. We've done a video together before. We did, what did we do on my channel? Was it the drinking game?
It was the
no,
shots,
it was
wasn't
the
it?
shots, American shots.
Clip. Yeah. Oh, for me in the tit.
He's back for more. So,
Hopefully not sick this time.
no, if you're sick this time, then I'll be really offended. So, for today's video, we're going to be doing kind of like a remake slash try and replicate as best as you can. That was really weird.
That was really...
So for today's video, we're going to be doing a replication of James Charles's famous photo, like iconic photo that he's got. We just filmed a video for, that was really a weird way of saying it as well, wasn't
Yeah.
it? I don't know how to say it. We're going to be doing a video where we recreate James Charles's iconic look in this photo. Bing bong, here it is. I'm going to be trying to recreate that on Liam's face. He's already tried to recreate it on my face.
Yeah.
In his video, which is on his channel, which I'll leave a link for in the description box. So go check that out. I'm going to really try my best to make it look as much like the photo as I possibly can. We'll put a comparison photo at the end of this video.
If I look like that geezer, I'm going to be very happy. I'm going to be...
He is beautiful,
He is
yes.
a stunning guy, isn't he?
Okay, so let's crack on with this. I'm just going to go straight in for it. So I'm obviously going to start with foundation.
Which I didn't even
Which
use.
Liam didn't do. Pick one that's kind of close to your skin colour. Not that.
I can't believe I've actually agreed to doing this.
Why?
I don't know.
It's your idea!
I know, but like...
Your beard might get in the way.
Well, my pathetic
We'll
bit.
cross that bridge when we get to it.
No, it's a new experience.
Oh, sorry.
No, I'm just going to panic every time you come
That's how
closer.
rough I am on myself, so like I'm just used to doing it that rough.
I don't think it's even rough, it just scares the shit out of me every time.
Beautiful.
Okay.
Do you know what this is?
No.
Cool. A little bit on your nose.
What's wrong with my nose?
Don't know, it's just habit. I always do that.
See, he's even got like a skinny like nose with like a bridge in his nose. I've just got a fat nose.
Yeah, I'm gonna try and do that to you too.
Oh, really?
Yep. Look up.
Good luck with this honker. Do I look better now than I did before?
You look very stage ready at the moment.
Okay.
Let's put it that way.
What on earth is this little egg?
This is a beauty blender.
It looks like a gone off egg.
Next, I'm gonna do bronzer. Got this. Oh my god, I forgot to do powder. What am I doing?
What's this doing?
This mattifies you to make you not shiny.
Okay.
Yes, Queen! I'm just gonna go to town with this because he's got perfect skin. And we want you to have perfect skin too. Bing bong. Wow, flawless.
Yeah?
Yeah. Okay.
Am I doing this thing again?
Yeah. There's a vein in your ear. That's really like looks like a lightning bolt.
The path of a lightning bolt.
Sick.
I'm not gonna do any blusher on you because he's not really wearing any.
Okay.
But I am gonna do highlighter because he's got loads of that on. I'm gonna go for this one. Wow.
Oh my
Oh
word.
my god, sorry, I forgot to tell you I was about to poke you in the eye.
Yeah, fair.
Okay, brows.
There we go. On fleek?
Sure. That's one eyebrow done,
Yeah.
I think. Could be better.
How am I looking?
They're not even.
Okay.
They're sisters, not twins. Oh! Oh, why did I just do that? Oh no. I'm scared.
I'm scared.
Okay, and then he got a bit of pinky poo. It's kind of
I mean,
like
I was
black.
just kind of like colouring in by numbers, wasn't I? It was just 1, 2,
Yeah, it was-
3.
It was your own way of doing it, and that's what's important in life.
Yeah.
Mr. Blender.
Still blender. Bum, bum, bum,
Give me a dream.
bum, 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 bum. You're having fun.
Yeah, actually, yeah, this is great. Sorry if this hurts. But like we said, what did we say earlier?
Pain is beauty.
Pain is beauty.
Oh, I've just thought about the eyelashes. That's what's going to
Yeah,
happen,
that's
isn't it?
gonna be a thing. And then we're blending. Oh, that's the wrong side. Are you okay?
Yeah.
So look up.
I'm scared.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
Are you ready for some eyeliner?
I guess so, yeah.
Now we're going to go in with a flick.
Swish.
This is where I need to get serious.
And flick. Okay.
Close your eye. He's got a big flick.
He's got a what?
Shushy time. Perfect flick is like the perfect man. Sometimes takes a while to get there, but you get there in the end. I just made that up on the spot. It's pretty good, isn't it?
Yeah, fair play.
Oh, you blinked.
Okay,
Flinched.
I wasn't expecting that.
Okay, well, I'm coming at you with an eyeliner.
Okay.
I'm going to go with eyelash. I'm actually good at eyelashes on other people. It's one thing I'm better on.
Okay. What, better than doing it yourself?
Yeah. Because you can see where the rim is. This is going to feel really weird and it's going to probably stick your eyes together.
Fantastic.
Try not to be alarmed by that.
Okay.
Okay, open.
That feels
wow,
weird.
look
feels
at
weird.
that.
How on earth
it's
do people wear it?
good.
Is it?
Yeah, it looks good. We're going to
Okay.
do mascara. So look up. I might sit down for this bit again.
What am I doing in my life, man?
Right, everyone, that is the first side. Let's get going with eye number 2. Now that I know what I'm doing. Going in with the white, guys.
The final touch.
Everyone breathe. Your beard's in the way. This is the fun bit.
Yeah? I can't wait for all my friends to see what I look like now.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to take it off your neck because it looks really Santa-ish in the camera. It's because you've got a little bit of like puby beard bit on your chin, so it just looks really funny.
Brilliant.
We're about to do the reveal. Before we do, comment down below how you think I did, and also subscribe to both of us. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Wait, you can't even see your face!
Madness. Yeah, I can see my face.
No, but they can't see your face.
Oh, mad. This is so weird.
That whole reaction was covered by the mirror.
I mean, all I did was...
Okay.
I mean, you've done a good job. This is so weird. I don't know what I was expecting, but like, this is crazy.
It could be better, for sure, but I think it's not too bad. Do you like it?
I think you've done a great job.
Thank
This is really like, I feel like I'm kind of having a midlife crisis looking at this right now, looking at myself.
There he is, it's James Charles,
James
everyone!
Charles. James Charles with a beard
In the
from the UK.
building.
I think you've done a good job.
Thank
This
you.
is concerning me a little bit the longer
You
I have it
look
on.
very pretty, look!
I mean,
Beautiful. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Go on Liam's video and check him out because he's done this. He's
Please.
been my model. So please go over to his channel and have a look.
that sounded really beggy of me, please.
Comment down below of what you think and how you think we did and who you think did better.
I think that would be obvious.
Well, you never know. Some people might prefer the abstract look.
Yeah, fair.
So yeah, that's it. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Say
See
bye.
you later, guys. Bye.
Bye.